we talk about how can you face this problem on your blog graph 3D app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you click here on settings, it's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do, so you just go down here, then you click here on apps, then come to apps is here, and there you're looking for blog graph 3D app, or just click on search, then here add uh, craft, or just add here block craft 3D. It's going to show for you like this. Click on it, so then it's going to take you to this list here. Click on for stop, then you click on OK, then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click here on Play Store here. So then here you search for Blockcraft 3D. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here, if this click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.